All right, this one is for Edward. Hit Parade graded comic 2021, The Walking Dead Series 1, 58 out of 100. Walking Dead number 53, first appearance of the Sergeant Abraham Ford, Rosita Espinoza, and Eugene Porter. Back cover pinup by Cliff Rathburn. It's a 9-4 from '08. Another brand new product, Hit Parade 2020 Pop Vinyl. Lunchbox Edition Series 2, 15 out of 50. Shouldn't say brand new, I should say new series of a familiar product. Good luck. The Energizer Bunny. Mickey. Darth Mickey. From Kingdom Hearts. And Samurai Jack Funko Soda. Limited to 10,000. Sure do got a lot of stuffing in them. 29 out of 50. That's an exclusive glow-in-the-dark Twinkie the Kid. Target exclusive. Jawa. Numbered out of 7,500, which is a bounty. Frankenberry. And out of 10,000, Chili Willy. All right, your bounty for this one is predetermined. And is brought to you by Mr. Tony. It's a Pop Mini of Big Boy. And a Pop Mini of what looks like a Hostess pie. But last but not least, oh yeah, the Kool-Aid Man. There you go, bub. And 20 out of 50. Captain Crunch. Ooh, out of only 3,000, that's Ramona Flowers from Scott Pilgrim versus the World. It's the Noid. Target exclusive. And how about 2018 Canadian Convention exclusive Jeffrey from Toys R Us as Iron Man. That's pretty cool. All right, my friend. I am going to toss these in here with your other ones. There you go.